Hello, in this video, we'll be building an EKS cluster and deploying New Relic's add-on using EKS blueprints for AWS Cloud Development Kit. If you'd like to learn more about Amazon CDK or the EKS blueprints framework, visit the links in the video description below. So let's get started. I've already completed some of the project setup steps, like installing AWS CDK and initializing my project. I'll be loosely following the Getting Started guide that I'm currently showing on my screen. In order to successfully report data to New Relic, you'll need to create a secret in AWS Secrets Manager for your New Relic license key. If you're installing Pixie into your cluster, also include the Pixie deploy key and Pixie API key. After initializing the project, there will be a TypeScript file in the bin directory. Update this file with the example code from the New Relic EKS Blueprints add-on GitHub repo. I've imported the EKS blueprints and New Relic add-on packages into my project, and now I'll quickly install them. One of the benefits of EKS blueprints is the ability to easily add additional components to the cluster with a few lines of code. In this example, I'm installing the cluster autoscaler, core DNS, secret store, and kubeproxy add-ons provided as part of the EKS blueprints package. I've also installed the New Relic add-on and I'm passing in a few required parameters. These include the New Relic cluster name, the AWS secret name containing my keys, and some additional flags that will add Pixie and New Relic's Pixie integration to the cluster. Now I'll run cdklist, which will display the CloudFormation stack name to be deployed based on the stack ID provided in my configuration. EKS Blueprints for CDK is an abstraction for CloudFormation. What's defined in code gets transformed into a CloudFormation stack and deployed to your AWS account. When you're ready to deploy your blueprint cluster, run cdk deploy, and you'll see output describing what will be built. Answer yes to proceed with the deploy and grab a coffee. This video is sped up for the purposes of time, but this process could take anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes. We'll be back once the cluster build is complete. We're back and the CDK deploy has completed. There will be a set of outputs, one of which will be an AWS CLI command to update your cubeconfig. So I'll go ahead and run that now. Now that I've updated my kubeconfig, let's take a look at what's been deployed to the cluster. I'll run a kubecontrol get pods across all namespaces. You can see here that the add-ons I specified in my project have been successfully deployed. Core DNS, the cluster autoscaler, kubeproxy, and the secret store add-ons are all running in kubesystem namespace. The New Relic and Pixie components have been deployed as well. And finally, I've logged into New Relic to further validate the installation. I can see the cluster overview and status in the Kubernetes Cluster Explorer and can use Pixie to perform protocol level tracing using eBPF. This concludes today's Nerd Byte for the New Relic EKS Blueprints add-on. EKS Blueprints makes it quick and easy to automate the deployment of EKS clusters and ensure you have observability on day one with New Relic. Thanks for your time today, and we hope you check out more Nerd Bytes in the future.